Hi, good evening, dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics teacher from SVM School, Arigimara Camp. Dear students, in our today class, we have to discuss about the fractions and decimals. This is class second, part 2 for the 7th standard, second chapter. Yes, chapter second chapter. That is fractions and decimals. Dear students, in our today class, first content is that ascending order of ascending order of fractions. Dear children, in my first class already I told you, yes, especially fractions we are dividing in like and unlike, mainly proper and improper and mixed. In our today class we have to just see, I will take up yes only like fractions. Suppose example 1, dear students, example 1, suppose 3 by 6, yes, 4 by 6, yes, 1 by 6, 5 by 6, then 2 by 6. These are the like fractions, dear students, you know that very well. Like fractions means the fractions having same denominators. These are we are going to be called as like fractions because denominators all are same. Here ascending order means already in my previous class I have told you it is increasing order. Just if you want to write the ascending order in these fractions, you should know that which is greater fraction, which is lesser fraction. One important concept I would like to tell you, dear students, especially about the fractions. Lesser the numerator, lesser the fraction. Greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Yes. Here, lesser the numerator, lesser the fraction. That is first 1 by 6. Yes, ascending order 1 by 6. Then little bit. Yes, after 1 by 6, that is 2 by 6. 2 by 6. After 2 by 6 is 3 by 6. 3 by 6. After 3 by 6, 4 by 6. 4 by 6. After 4 by 6, 5 by 6. Dear children, here 1 by 6 is the least fraction because its numerator is very less compared to all these fractions. Here 1 by 6 is very less. Then 5 by 6 is greater fractions according to the given data because compared to all the numerators 5 is greater. Greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Lesser the numerator, lesser the fraction. Right now? Okay, yes. I think this is understood. Next topic I would like to tell you, if they can give unlike fractions, at that moment how can we write in ascending order? That's very important. Yes. Example 2, dear children. Example 2. Yes. Suppose 3 by 2, then 4 by 6, then 2 by 3, then yes 3 by 4. Dear children, they will ask you, yes, there are 4 fractions they have given. Write these unlike fractions in ascending order. First we should convert these denominators into especially equal. If you want to make equal these denominators, we should take LCM. LCM for these things, dear children, S2, is 2, 6, 3, 4. LCM I am take of yes 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 hasties, yes 2 2s are. Then dear children, 1 yes 3 hasties, then 2 1s are. Then finally yes 3 1 hasties, 3 1s are 3 1s. Yes, finally I left with that LCM between these things. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Dear children, if you want to make it here LCM for everyone I want to make it equal LCM 12. Yes, I will multiply the given this one. Yes, if I want to get here 12, I will multiply here 6. Here 6 is there now. I want to get here. I need to find out here 6, 12. That's why I multiplied here 2. Yes, here 3 is there now. I want to multiply it 4. Here 4 is there now. I want to multiply with 3. Dear children, you know that LCM is 12. That's fine. Yes, 3 6 are 18. 18 divided by LCM is 12. Okay. Then 4 2 is 8. Here LCM is 12. Then 2 4s are 8. Then LCM is 12. Yes, C. Then let us 3 3s are 9. LCM is 4 3s are 12. Okay. Okay, yes, this is right. Now see, you need to find out here which is lesser, which is greater fraction. Yes, which is least fraction, which is greatest fraction, because you want to write in ascending order. Yes, for the ascending order. Ascending order. Yes. Ascending order you need to find out. First you need to find out first least fraction. Here, as I told you, lesser the numerator, lesser the fraction. Just see 18, 8, 8, 9 is there now. Take first 8 by 10. Yes, sorry, 8 by 12. Then again one more time. 8 by 12. After 8 by 12, yes children, 9 by 12. Okay. Then finally 18 by 12. Yes, this is in ascending order. If they can ask in descending order, yes, descending order, yes, descending order, descending order. If they can ask, what can you do? Yes, you have to choose first. Descending order means what? It is the decreasing order. Decreasing order means first we should take greatest fraction, that is 18 by 12. After 18 by 12, 9 by 12. After 9 by 12, 8 by 12, comma 8 by 12. Okay, dear students, it's complete the descending and ascending order of the given fractions. They can give like fractions, you can convert into, yes, you can write in ascending or descending. If they can give unlike fractions, then you can convert into ascending and descending. This is clear about the ascending order of the fractions and descending order of the fractions. Let us, I will move for the next content in my today's class, dear students. Magic square. Second content, that is perfect magic square. Yes, see. Yes, second content in my today's class, that is perfect magic square. Magic square. Yes, magic square. Dear children,